Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about any advice for you. There are 4 decks here. This is the this is the first deck, this is second, this is third, and this is the fourth one. And whichever you are attracted most, please choose that deck and yes, choose that deck. I hope you see that. Okay. No. Oh, yes. Now, which one you are attracting most, please choose that deck, and I will give you some advice that is necessary for you for now. Okay, I'm going towards the deck number 1. Okay, first of all, you have the card of Lantern Fairy, a clear solution, at the bottom of the deck, and this is for that you are going to know something, you are going to find your path towards something, towards your happiness, towards whatever you want, but you are going to find some path, some way, some road towards your aim. Okay, now I'm going to take some cards from this deck for you. Okay, angels are telling you that at some situation you have to stay still, don't move. You have to learn about that thing, and some kind of miracles. Okay, don't use anything, don't move forward, don't do anything. Okay, and please stay still and think wisely. First, think wisely. Okay, and because this card is upside down, that's why you have to stay here. Don't move, don't go forward. Stay still, and you will see see the situation, see your path by the Lantern Fairy, and you will know what you have to do. And with this snow angel, the sign are with you already. The angels are with you, they are going to help you, and they are showing you look, there are some kind of signs. There are the signs for you that you are going to success in your in what you want, but you have to stay still for now. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck, there is once again Lantern Fairy, a clear solution. You are going to see what you have to do, what is good for you, and what you don't what is not good for you. Okay, that is the reading for you, my pile number 1. I'm going towards my pile number 2. I hope you like it, and please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 2, this love cards, I forgot what is the name of these cards, but your reading, your advice is free yourself first. It's time to take back control of your life, and you have to free yourself. You have to cut that belt, that rope, whatever this is, and you have to go forward. When you are able to release yourself, to free yourself, you are going forward towards your goal direction. Okay, I am going to take some advice for you. Okay, once again you have the at the bottom of the deck you have it's time to free yourself first. Okay, this situation is going to happen when you get yourself free from somebody's memories, from some restrictions or anything, from bad thinkings, from bad memories, from some kind of from some kind of illness. Okay, then you are going to have that person, or you have to free yourself from the previous person, from someone else, from your parents or someone. Okay, there is a chemistry in this situation, there is a strong magnetic attraction here. Okay, this situation is good. If this is a love situation, there is chemistry in this, and if this is some other thing, then there is also the chemistry, or this is a good way to choose. Okay, retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. Yes, there they are saying you to disconnect from the world, leave everyone else, and go with that person you love, you want, do that thing you want to do, what is good for you, what you want to do. Okay, very soon this will happen, very soon. Clarify, sorry, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay, now you have to make your mind what you want. If you want to stay like that, stuck over there, and no moving forward, that is your own decision. And if you want to move, then you have to take some step. So you have to do something. Okay, very soon you have to do something, very soon you have to make it now. Okay, with this getting to know each other, this card is upside down. I think you both are not, you don't know each other. You have to know each other. That is better for you for this situation. Okay, you have to know each other, talk to each other, and know each other's perspectives about okay, something, what you want to do. Okay, this is good for you. Okay, and now this is a separation card. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon, and this is upside down, that there is no separation, no divorce, no nothing bad over here. You are going to have that person soon, but you have to free yourself. Whatever the situation, which situation are you stuck in, please make free yourself first. Okay, love yourself. Now this is the reading for you. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my pile number 3. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 3, the card at the deck of at the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. You want to begin something new. You want to start something new with passion, with love, with attraction. Maybe some little bit sexual desires, and this is from the universe. You can see that the clouds are moving and the sun is coming out, the sun is rising, and this wand is also rising from this sun, between from these clouds, and this is the gift from universe to use. You want to begin something, you are going to universe is telling you to begin a new thing, to start that thing what you want. Okay, move towards some person maybe. Now I'm going to take some cards from this deck. For those who choose the pile number 3 with this card, these cards, your reading is you are not happy in this situation. In some situation you know better what is the problem. What the problem is, you are not happy in this situation. You are thinking about some person and you are not able to forget them. You want them very badly, and that's why you are not happy. And you have the nightmares at that time because of this situation. You are not happy, you are crying, sleepless nights, you are awaking at the nights because of tension. Okay, because to do something, and with this Knight of Swords, you want to do something very fast, very soon. You want to do it now, and you are going towards that person, that thing. You want to do it now, or want to cut someone from your life, or cut your restrictions from your life. Okay, Six of Pentacles, you have to do some charity work. Over here with this card, this is a card of charity, to help someone, giving and taking, 50-50 situation. As many you give, as many you receive. Okay, yes, you have to give someone something, or maybe this card is for charity work. When you give someone your love, your money, something, they will give you back something, anything, their love, their passion, their what we can say, um, they are praying for you, they pray for you, they wish for you good wishes. Okay, and word, something is new is going to happen, something old is ending over here, and something new is going to start now. With that ace of wands and that word card, something new is going to start. But there is some kind of tragedy, some kind of disaster in this situation. Okay, if you are able to take some good step, decide good decision, think good things, then you will decide wisely, then you will stop that disaster. Or if you don't do this, you will make that disaster. Whatever the situation, I think that there is some kind of disaster over here. Yes, that disaster is going, because is happening because you are not happy what the universe are giving you. You are not happy with that thing, with that person, with that job, and you are fighting for something else. Okay, you are fighting for something else. You are not happy with this situation, that's why this disaster is going on. Okay, and once again you have this knight of wands. You have to move forward, you have to think fast, think decide wisely, and do it fast, make it fast. There is no time for you left, you have to do it now. Okay, and you have to be wise, like this eagle over here. You have to be wise, you have to be prepared for this situation. Like that armor over here, he is prepared for it. He have all the his hood and whatever their things are, they are armed for it. Okay, and I hope that this situation will get better. And if you want to know something more about this situation, please check out my previous readings, and you will get something from that. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my pile number 4, the last pile, last but not least. Okay, those who choose the pile number 4 or the last pile, your reading is that you have to cut someone from your life, something that is not good for you, something, someone, some situation, any job you are doing that is not good for you. You have to make some kind of change, with love, with passion, with happiness, with these lilies. There are 2 swans over here. There are swans, I think that there are 2 swans, 2 lovebirds over here. And for their own good, you have to cut something, someone from your life. Now I am going to take some more cards for your advice. Okay, your reading is that with this card, I think you are not doing very well in this situation. You are not putting your effort in this situation. You are holding back, you are staying back, you are laying lazily and not doing anything. I think you have to do something. Okay, there is you are doing nothing. The spider is very hard worker, but I think with this card upside down, you are not doing anything. Okay, over here in this situation, and you want someone, you love someone, you want that person in your life. You are praying for them, you are thinking about them, you are manifesting them. Yes, there is someone you are in love with. Okay, with this 8 of swords, universe are telling you that you are going to get out of your bad situation. You are going to towards your happiness, your good time, your luckiness. Okay, you are leaving this bad situation over here. And with this 7 of swords, yes, someone want to defeat you or betrayed you or disobey you, lie to you, done something bad to you, but that is not going to happen over here because this card is upside down. Now there is no sign of this thing, or there is nothing of that bad energy over here because this card is upside down. And now the temperance, you have to stay, you have to be patient at the time for your own good. If you want the word for you, you have to be patient. The universe will heal you. It will make you happy. You can see that there is over here in the clouds there are some dragons over here and over here. She is not alone over here in this situation. There are their friends with her to help them, to help her, or and maybe you need some help from your friends or from Allah or from your God, Devi, whatever you are praying. You need some help from others, okay? And with this Fool card upside down, and also with this Eight of Pentacles upside down, you don't have to do anything. The universe will take this situation in their hand. They are taking this situation in their hand, holding this situation in their hand. You can say that this woman is holding the world, the universe, and the universe holding your situation in their hand. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to do anything. Just relax, stay still, relax. It will do as it is, as itself. Queen of Pentacles, you have to care about your own self, about those who are around you, your parents, your family, your friends, your cousins, okay? You have to take care of them, and make your promise true, okay? Don't leave that promise, any promise, make that true, okay? And I think that you are very wise person. You can see that where is that person? Okay, you can see that there is that light, the orb of that light, or this light over on his mind. She is very intelligent, very wise, very clever. She know what she had to do. That's why you are not moving over here. You are staying still, or maybe your intuitions are so high, so powerful that you manifest anything. You can make anything for you. You are having here the magician energy. You are manifesting your aim, your goal, your love, that person. You are praying for them towards Allah, from Allah towards Allah, or towards Jesus Christ, okay? And there is I am seeing that there is the darkness of night, and from there here there is some kind of light rising. Maybe sun is rising or something. The darkness is going to fall away, and you will have what you want. But you have to clear, first you have to clear what is in your way. This is most important. You have to clear that thing, that thoughts, that job or something, anything. What is your situation is. Please like, share, subscribe my reading. I hope you like it. And if you want to know more about the situation, then go and watch my previous reading. You will find something over there for your situation. And please like, share, subscribe, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.